In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a YouTube video with sound in Zoom. Whether you're hosting a meeting, giving a presentation, or just catching up with friends, knowing how to share media with sound can make your Zoom experience more interactive and engaging. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to join or start a Zoom meeting. This is the basic step to set everything in motion. Ensure your video and audio setup is ready to go, and you've notified your participants that you'll be sharing a video with audio. Given that Zoom updates occasionally, make sure you have the latest version of the application to avoid any glitches. Once you're in the meeting, locate the toolbar at the bottom of your Zoom screen. This is your control hub. Here, you'll see an option labeled Share Screen. Go ahead and click on it. This function is key as it allows you to share everything from your screen, whether it's a specific application or your entire desktop. The trick here is precision. It's best to share only the relevant window to avoid any unnecessary distractions. Now, a window will pop up showing all the available options that you can share. If you're like most people, you probably have multiple tabs or applications open. Make sure to select the specific browser window or tab that contains the YouTube video you intend to share. This ensures that participants only see what you want them to see. This next step is crucial. Before clicking that final share button, don't forget to check the box that says Share Computer Sound. Without this, your participants will only see the video, missing out on the audio, which is often just as important. This feature channels the sound directly from your computer to your audience, ensuring a smooth and comprehensive viewing experience. Once you've got everything selected, go ahead and click Share. At this point, your screen and its sound should be visible to everyone in the meeting, and you're ready to play the YouTube video. Remember, the more you minimize talking or other noises on your side, the clearer the audio will be for your attendees. As the video plays, keep an eye on reactions and be ready to answer any questions that might pop up. Interaction during this phase can make your meeting more dynamic and engaging. After you've finished sharing the video, simply click Stop Share to return to your normal meeting setup. This is essential for transitioning back to discussions or other activities you have planned. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate YouTube videos with sound in your Zoom meetings, enhancing the overall experience for yourself and your participants. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.